Hello everybody, back with the Tesla build. Got the oil burner ignition transformer, 10,000 volts at 23 milliamps, and it works pretty good. It don't get big giant sparks like my last Tesla, but it does work. And the spark plug did not work. For some reason, this Tesla did not like the spark plug. So I'll show you my spark gap over there. Alright, there's the adjustable spark gap. Works great. I think the bucket capacitor is holding up pretty good. Let me turn it on for you guys. Alright, if you want to turn down your volume because it's about to get loud. Wish I could turn my light off, but oh well. Here we go. Alright, if you're wondering, I did go with the parallel bucket capacitor. Well, it's ran in parallel. Yeah, that's how it's ran. I get better or thicker arcs. But hope you like it. Like, subscribe, dislike. Have a good day.